Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna show you how to replace a battery in your iPhone 6s. For this repair you will need a replacement battery with double-sided tape or these white double-sided strips, 2 screwdrivers, iPhone Torx and very small Phillips screwdriver. You will also need a plastic paddle, guitar pick or anything strong and thin. You may also need a hairdryer or a suction cup. First, you need to switch off your device. Now you need to unscrew these 2 little pentalobe screws with the iPhone Torx screwdriver. The next step is to slide your piece of plastic or a guitar pick between the screen and the metal frame. It's good to start near the jack port. Suction cup can be helpful here. iPhone originally came with a rubber adhesive, which might be hard to separate without heating it up with a hairdryer. Pry the plastic frame from bottom along the sides until the screen will be loose. Gently pull the screen down to unlatch the top. Open your iPhone to 90 degrees angle. Now you need to unscrew these 4 screws with Phillips screwdriver. Remember the location of each screw. Later you will need to screw them back exactly the same as they were. Take the metal out and unclip 3 connectors from the screen. I like to use my fingernail, but you can also use any plastic tool. Put the screen somewhere safe. Now unscrew the 2 Phillips screws here and take the metal out. Unclip the battery connector from the main board. Now if you have the original battery, you will need to pull these 2 white strips from the battery bottom. My battery was replaced in past, so I have some double-sided tape underneath instead. I prepared the new battery with special strips. If you haven't got them, just apply 1 or 2 strips of double-sided tape. Connect the battery connector to the main board. Screw back this metal piece with the 2 screws. Now take your screen and plug the 3 connectors back. Take the metal piece you removed earlier and screw the 4 screws back in the same locations. Gently press the screen until it clicks and screw the last 2 screws. As you can see, the iPhone turns on with the new battery. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to my channel and see you next time.